India has a long-term plan to build up the semiconductor business in your country. Why and what are you thinking?
Three things. First is electronics manufacturing, which was practically negligible 10 years back, is today a significantly large industry. $87 billion. This iPhone 14 that you see is made in India. Its supply chain is shifting to the country. Sector after sector, we are getting from import substitution to export-led growth. So, telecom equipment, 3 years from now, India will be a large telecom equipment exporter. All the pieces are well set, development is very good. A couple of companies have already started exporting to countries like US. So a very large market which requires semiconductor as the basic raw material, item one. Item two, a very competitive talent pool, good talent pool, about 52,000 semiconductor engineers working in the country. And almost all of them are working from legacy nodes to the cutting edge to the SoC, getting the absolutely new optimization in power consumption, all kind of stuff. The latest and really some of the leading edge technologies our people are working, our talent is working. That as the second factor. Third factor, our university system, which is producing about 500,000 engineers every year. We have tailored our project, our entire plan to make sure that this university system generates a significantly large number of talent, and we have committed to develop 85,000 talent over the next 10 years. And within the 1 year of our announcement of our policy, we announced the policy on 1st January of 2022. By now, we have already tied up with 60 universities. We have changed the course curriculum. So all these factors together make it very natural that India should be the destination for semiconductors.